The ingredients you would need for the dish is 1/2 cup of coconut milk, 1/2 tablespoon of curry powder, salt and pepper, 4 garlic cloves, 1 stalk of scallions or green onion, 2 teaspoons of fish sauce, around 1 tablespoon of oil, 1/4 of a small ginger, 1 stalk of cilantro, 1/8 of a small kabocha squash, 1/2 medium onion, 1/2 pound of chicken breast, and 4 leaves of bok choy, and water. Start by preparing your ingredients. Start by mincing the onion, garlic, and ginger. Chop the bok choy, kabocha squash, and chicken into a medium dice. Next, chop the cilantro and scallions. To start cooking, turn the fire to medium heat, add enough oil to cover the pot, and spread the oil around the pot. Add the onion and garlic and stir until they turn a slight brown. Then add your chicken and stir again until they are about done cooking. Add the coconut milk, kabocha squash, fish sauce, ginger, and curry powder, and stir. Add water to the pot enough to cover all ingredients and bring to a boil. Add the bottoms of the bok choy first, then after 1 to 2 minutes add the leaves of the bok choy. Continue stirring and make sure to taste your curry and add pepper and salt to your liking. After it is done cooking, plate your curry, and if you want, you may add rice.